Okay, hi everybody. This is the Math 10 Trigonometry Review, and this is short answer 5F. We're looking for x here. First thing we got to do, though, is focus on the angle that we're given, because that helps us identify the sides. Okay, if this is the angle that's important to me, then this side right here, the 12 millimeters, because that side is not being used to build that angle, this is the opposite side. The x here, because it's opposite the 90 degrees, this is the hypotenuse. And this side right here is the adjacent because it's being used to build that angle, which is not important to me in this particular question. I don't really care. So I've got my angle, I've got the opposite side, and I'm looking for the hypotenuse. So I got to think what trig ratio relates the opposite side and the hypotenuse. Think a little bit, and it turns out that's going to be the sine of 52 degrees will equal the opposite side over the hypotenuse. Now, to solve for x in this particular little equation here, I'm going to multiply by x. That'll cancel the denominator here. And over here I'm left with x times the sine of 52 degrees is equal to 12. Now remember, sine of 52, that's just a ratio. It's just a number, just a decimal number. It's the length of the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. So I can just divide by that number. I can divide both sides by the sine of 52 degrees. And so x is going to equal, when I evaluate that, I'll go to my calculator, 12 divided by the sine of 52. And to the nearest tenth, I am getting 15.2. And there we go. That's the, sorry, it's hard to see there. But that's the answer I'm looking for, 15.2. You still can't see that.